Papa. Siguro basta magpakatotoo ka. I think that's the thing that I learned. Hindi ko nga alam kung ba't ako natatakot nun. Well, sabagay, marami din kaming pinoprotektahan. But now, you know, kahit naman anong sabihin mo, kahit ano ba yung mayroong magiging reaction ng tao, but I think as long as you're true to yourself, yun lang.
Yeah, somebody said that to me, si Ma'am Wilma, sabi niya, na kung magpapakatotoo ka, people will accept, and wala rin naman silang choice, I guess. Sama naman kasi makikita din naman nila yung totoong intention sa isa't isa. So, pag alam nila yun, I guess kung honest tayo sa kanila, then they'll accept. And actually, I'm very happy kasi we didn't expect people to receive us like this. You know, they're genuinely happy for us, and thank you very much. Well, like we always say, one at a time, you know, I'm trying to enjoy I'm trying to enjoy being together first, you know. Because it's been a long time na since nagkaroon ako ng relationship, so gusto ko yung ganito muna, masaya muna. And although I know I'm not getting any younger, pero madami naman pwedeng gawin ngayon to get pregnant, I guess. So, yun, marami pa kasi kami kailangan ayusin, marami pa kailangan isettle. So, one at a time.
Ito, pagdasal natin. Ayos ang lahat. Alam naman natin yung mga legalities kung wala na pong problema ba eh. Mabilis pa sa alas 6.
I don't know that...
Ako, ikaw, gusto mo akong pakasalan?
Hindi, pero yun nga, we need to... Yun nga, we need to settle a lot of things first.
Basta ba ayos yun?
Dapat hindi ko din bintinigin, ikaw naman. Where's your friend?
Nakikita nyo na lang ng
Mas ganun, ano?
Ganito ako kalaking rings.
Maging masaya ang araw ng mga puso nila ni Regine.
Pero babawi ako sa kanya.
Halos 4 na Valentine's na silang magkasama, pero walang araw na hindi nangungulila si Pogi kay Regine.
Maraming tumutulig sa akin. Kapag in love ko yun, maiintindihan nyo rin.
Always wanting them deep inside.
Meron talaga akong gagawin for my mom. And then last minute, na-decide ko na, kawawa naman.
Oh, at the same time, gusto mo rin mabantayan kahit pa paano.
As in, walang PA, walang anything. On her own, she flew.
Ito yung nakakatawa kasi since konti lang yung time namin kasi dumating ako mga 10 o'clock na sa matatapos na yung show niya, so binigyan ko siya ng flowers. Tapos natuwa siya. Tapos pag uwi namin dun sa hotel, nanood kami ng movie ni Bea at ni John Lloyd. Close to you. Yan ang aming date.
Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you for making me very, very happy. Thank you for being the person that you are because you have been so, so wonderful to me. Nagpapasalamat din ako sa pamilya niya na napakabait sa akin. I love you and happy Valentine's.
Hindi, pinuntahan niya kami sa bahay namin. Sinabi niya that was week after. Una, mga a year before, sinabi niya yung pag-break nila ni Michelle. Wala pa si Regine. Then after, I don't know how long, siguro 1 year or so, saka na sinabi naman ng Regine. Sabi naman simpleng tao lang. So, kung anong sa maligaya naman ng pamilya, doon na nila mo. Sana yan talaga. Wala nang balikan. Alam mo lang, hindi na naman siya bata-bata. She's already 4 years old. She's a very good daughter. She has provide Siya lahat yata nag-aaral doon eh, di ba? Bigyan pa ng bahay ng malaki sa Bulacan. Manag-usap na nga kami ng parents na rin dyan eh. Kung paano yung sa future, next year. Hopefully next year, kung maayos yung papeles, talagang magpapakasal sila. Sana magkaanak pa sila. Diba? Para lalong tumibay. Mabait naman si Regine. Oo, at saka para, I think, sa nadinig ko lang, gusto ni Jerry na magpa-apo kay Reg. Dapat naman talagang ilagay sa ayos yan eh. Hindi naman pwedeng ganyan eh. Unang-una, batikos, di ba? Marami yung mga detractors din eh, di ba? Lalo na sa babae. Kasi nasabing homelaker. Hindi naman totoo yung she came after the breakup. Not before. We look forward to seeing you as a member of with great anticipation. Ano yung gusto ng video niya? Sinusimpulan, matanda na sa routine. Yun lang na mahangat namin, maging maligaya siya. Madalas kasi, pag successful sa career, failure sa love life.
Sana masaya sila. Ano pa bang sasabihin ko?
Masaya naman po sila.
Masaya naman sila, di ba, no?
Masaya naman po
Friend
kayo.
ko.
Masaya naman po kayo.
Masaya ako kay Regine kasi at least hinayaan ko na siyang magmahal o kaya yung mamahalin din siya. Okay lang. Ano talaga siyang magkaanak. Maski walang asawa, okay lang. Basta may anak.
Even I was so touched kasi finally, after all these years, talagang dito itong gabi na to, na-prove ng nilang dalawa na talagang nagmamahalan sila. And that means a lot to Regine's friends, kami, mga kaibigan niya.
Siguro nung Feb, tumawag si Reg. And then, yun nga yung kanyang concern. So, I only told her, hindi ka magkakamali kung magpapakatotoo ka, di ba? If you will just tell the truth or keep quiet until such time when you're all prepared, both of you. So, yun lang. Pero I am happy for them and I wish them all the best. Keep on loving each other. May you have a very fruitful relationship. Everything is so new to them. Nag-usap kasi kami ni Reg and ni Augie and sabi nila na parang they're really enjoying this time because they're free. They're free to walk around, to go to the places that they want to go to. Ganun lang talaga yun. The truth will always set you free. So I'm very happy for you guys and I hope that you will share a love that will really, really last a lifetime and even beyond.
Such a wonderful, wonderful person. I mean, I love you very much and happy Valentine 2008. Limutan ko pasalamatan yung mahal ko si Regine. Ba, thank you very much. Baba na ngayon. Okay.
Kung nadarama ang kaba
Mario Dumawan, Patrol ng Pilipino.
iyong dinig, wari ko'y di marinig, pagkat namamangha pagkahuli.